My message today is going directly to the president of South Sudan, Salva Kiir, and his 5 vice presidents, and also to those politicians that are living in diasporas or abroad and supporting corruption and fighting back home while they are comfortably living under the air conditioner with their children, eating comfortably and sleeping comfortably. Listen to me carefully. Stop the war that is happening in Nasir. Stop it. If we are fighting ourselves, if our own soldiers are being sent by you to point the very guns that are supposed to protect us, point them at us and kill us instead. Mr. President, when outsiders, when other countries try to invade us, what are we going to use to defend ourselves? If we are not united and we are falling apart, right now Junub Sudan is falling apart. It's falling into pieces. What good does that do for us? What good do we get out of this? We need to unite. Do you guys not see what is happening to our people? Do you guys not see what is happening in our country? Or you people just choose to turn a blind eye? Enough is enough. Stop killing our men. Stop killing our children. Stop killing our mothers. Stop the killing. Enough that this country have taken a lot of life. This very country that you people stand on, that you people are now leading, has a lot of unhappy soul. There's people that died in a very, 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 very painful way for this country. Their souls are not happy. Instead of praying for their soul to rest in peace, you people are here sending more unhappy souls to this land. Stop it. Stop the war. Do you not hear the cry of our people in the refugee camp, starving from lack of food and water? Do you not hear the cry of our people in North Sudan being slaughtered like animals? Women, men, children. Do you not hear that? Do you not hear the cry of our children in Egypt, in the Sahara Desert, in Libya Desert? Do you not hear the cry of our youth who have been victims to rape, molest, you name it? Do you not hear the cry of our little young people? Do you guys not see the cry our citizens are crying? Do you not see the cry of orphans that have lost their parents to this country? Do you not hear the cry of the widow that have lost her husband and left to raise her children alone for this country? Do you guys not hear the blind that have lost their eyes? Do you not hear the disabled, the crippled, that lost everything for this country to be? Do you not hear the cry of a soldier that is protecting its people and the country without any salary? Do you not hear the cry, President and your 5 vice presidents? It is your job as the leader of Junub Sudan to get those people who are stuck in Khartoum, to get them out. It is your job as the leader of Junub Sudan to go get those people who are stuck in Kakuma camp and bring them home. Because these people didn't leave. They didn't leave because they didn't like the country. They didn't leave because they had a choice. They only left to flee from the destruction of this country, from the hunger, from the injustice, from the war. They only left to go find a better life. And if that didn't work out for them, it is your job to go and bring them back home. How do you afford to protect the North Sudanese and provide soldiers and security to each of their door, but yet you fail to protect your own people? We are not happy, and we don't ask for too much. We are not asking for too much, Mr. President. We are not asking for money. We are not asking for cars. We are not asking for brand new clothes. All we are asking for is a chance to survive. How do you sleep at night? Unite the country. We need better hospitals. We need better school. We need security. A better economy, a healthy economy. Remove the dollar that only benefits the foreigners and not the citizen. How does the miskin eat when it doesn't have a dollar? Food and water is essential to our survival, and anybody, regardless of how poor you are, should have access to these kind of things. And to you politicians who are hiding, cowards, that's what you people are. You are cowards, hiding behind cameras, living in a comfortable and sleeping in a comfortable bed, yet you are preaching corruption, you are preaching war, you are preaching hatred to people back home. What good do you gain out of it? What good do you gain out of it? You are there with your children sleeping nicely in a safe house with your doors locked, yet you are encouraging people who eat once a day if they are lucky, who sleep on the floor with no blankets, who drink dirty water, who struggle with starvation, sickness, who struggle to survive, yet you are encouraging them to fight themselves. If they call you for money for food, if they call you for money for hospital needs, you don't send. But yet, you go to your bank's account, withdraw, and send them money for corruption. And send them money to go and buy things to hurt others. Shame on you. Stop encouraging and start preaching unity. Unity is the only way out.